Good morning from Bangkok. I'm here at my hotel in the Sok area. Some people call it Sukhumvit area. And I got in yesterday afternoon after a year of being away from the city. I lived here for 6 years and I have a lot of memories here, some good, a lot of bad, went through marriage, divorce, kind of just a lot of my 30s were spent in this city. And while I do have those bad memories, I do have quite a few good memories, and I'm really excited to be back here, excited to be shooting. And it's a beautiful city. It's a city like nowhere else. So I'm really happy to be back here in Bangkok for a couple days. And I'm gonna go wander around today and take some photos and just have some fun and just experience the city after being away for a year. I'm going to be mostly shooting with my Leica M10P with a 24mm Almaret lens on it. The 24 is ideal for this city because it's busy. Lots of people around. I like shooting wide in those situations, and I like shooting fast, so this 24mm lens is really nice. This is the Old Town Flower Market. There's always lots going on here, lots of people. It's really vibrant. You never know what you're going to see. The big thing to remember whenever you're shooting in this area is to watch your surroundings and mostly just stay out of the way as much as possible. You have to remember that this is what these people do for a living. It's how they feed their families. It's how they survive. These flower deliveries, the bustling market, it may seem like such a novelty and a tourist attraction, but the truth is these flowers are being delivered all over Bangkok, all throughout the day, all at different times. So as shoot as much as possible, get as close as you can, but just keep all of this in mind to be mindful of these people and what they're doing. At sometime mid-morning, I had walked all around this flower market a few times actually. It's big enough, but it's not huge. So I did a few loops of everything, and it was about done. Things were slowing down. I guess there's kind of peaks of busyness. I really should have came early morning. I think that's when the busiest time is. But anyways, I got some photos that I was really happy with, so I was going to go on to the next location. So I took the train over to Chinatown to get some lunch and wander around more and take some more photos. About 9 a.m. It's my second day here in Bangkok. I'm on the outskirts of Talad Noi, which is an old kind of Chinese area of Bangkok. It's got some really beautiful architecture, old buildings, And yeah, just an interesting area to walk around. Yesterday I did about 30,000 steps walking in the old town and in Chinatown. It's a really nice day. Got some images that I really like. Today we'll see what I can find today. It's a bit overcast, not the intense sun that I was thinking that I would get today, but we'll see. Could change at any time. Just gonna wander around some of these back alleys a little bit, see if I can spot anything different here. There's a ton of texture, but the problem with being here for me is, I lived here for 6 years, so this is kind of just like, I hate to sound spoiled or kind of taking this for granted, but I've seen all of this before so many times. And while I love it, and I still find it really interesting to really, to see it through fresh eyes is something completely new. Maybe I should have went somewhere else for my visa run to look at something and, with newer eyes. Although yesterday, like I said, I got a lot of images that I really like, even though I had walked those streets, hundreds of times before. Yeah, I'm just going to enjoy my time in Bangkok. It's my last full day here. I leave at about 3 p.m. tomorrow, go back to Da Nang. Just a quick little trip over here, take some photos, get a new visa. Yeah, I'm gonna walk around a little bit more and just, have some fun, take some images and see what this part of Bangkok, if anything's changed, and see what there is to offer here. All right, so let's go shoot. Shooting on this Leica M10P with a 24mm in a zone focusing, but almost using it as a point and shoot because I have it set at f11 or f14 sometimes depending on the light. So I don't know, I pre-focus to about 1.5 meters and just shoot and let it do the rest. That I'm going to is called Photo Club. It's spelled F-O-T-O, and it's run by some pretty young people that they run photo events. They do a lot of great stuff, like photography-wise in the city. So I like to support them. They usually have a really quick turnaround. So that's pretty much it for my time shooting here in Bangkok. It was 2 days, 2.5 days of actual shooting. Walking around the city a lot. I ended up going back to the same areas. Maybe that's just because what I'm comfortable with. So I'm excited to get back to Da Nang and go over some of the photos and do some editing. And I'm really happy to have been back to explore a little bit for a couple days and to shoot a video about my time back in Bangkok, Thailand. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one.